Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can make your Blogger pages appear as tabs across the top of your blog. So someone just asked me about this a little while ago, and I created a little sample blog here. And let's go ahead and select pages from that blog. Let's create a new page, and we'll just call this one Classroom Expectations. And we'll just say one, be on time, try your best, be nice to others. Now let's publish the page. If we go and view the page itself, we can see it just fine here. What we don't see is a tab across the top for the page across my sample blog. So to make this appear as a tab option at the top, we need to go down here and adjust our layout. And let's now select Add a Gadget. And from this menu, we'll select Pages. And we're going to select Classroom Expectations and Home as tabs to appear across the top. Now let's save that. Let's view the blog. And now we can see we have a tab across the top. And every time we add a page, we'll have to go back in and edit the pages and select the name of the page that we want to appear as a tab across the top. So that's how you can add tabbed pages to your Blogger blog, and for more tips and tricks like this, check out